Hi there, Chris here. So I've been playing with my custom picks, and I have this one, and this is the Suki and Slinky pick. Or that's what I call it. And it was made by West Picks, and he sent it to me, and it's an awesome, beautiful custom pick. I love the profile, and so I'm going to try and pick this Yale. It's a Yale. It's a nice logo, and it has a Yale large format core in it. So it has some keys. That is an operating one, and it has an operating one, and this one I believe is a control one. So maybe not. Oh yes, it is. So the way the control works on this large format Yale is, you see how this little guy comes out, and that's what holds it in the lock. So it's very cool, and I'm going to try and pick it. So there's the regular bidding. Is the control bidding different? I think it might just be different because it has that, because it looks the same. Oh, no, it's different. You see, this is different from there, and this little cutout. All right, enough for that. So top of the keyway with the universal tension wrench and these gorgeous custom pick from West Picks. So I don't know what I'll get. Maybe I'll get operating, and maybe I'll get control. Or maybe I'll get nothing. So far we got nothing. Oh, maybe I'm missing the back guy. A little bit of nudge, a little bit of cord turn. If I can get under that low pin, whoops, slid right by it. Probably screwing up my progress. Let's reset. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't think the locks care if you count. They just want you to pick them right. What did we get? Oh, we got operating. So there you go. Cool Yale with the large format LFIC Yale. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, West Picks, for this gorgeous pick. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. hit the like, certainly subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, and we will see you next time.